Hello children, this is the 6th lesson of your EVS, that is pollution. Okay, what's the meaning of pollution? We will discuss in this lesson. What are the types of pollution? These things we will discuss in this lesson. So take out your book, page number 188. Our environment is important to us. What is our environment? The place where we live, the food that we eat, the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, animals, plants, all around, these all make us our environment. And if the dirty and the unhealthy things enter our environment, it causes pollution. So what is the meaning of pollution? यदि अनहेल्दी, अनक्लीन, गंदी चीज़ें हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में, हमारे आसपास आ जाती है तो वो पॉल्यूशन हो जाता है. पॉल्यूशन मीन्स इन हिंदी प्रदूषण. व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ द पॉल्यूशन? सी, लैंड पॉल्यूशन, एयर पॉल्यूशन, वाटर पॉल्यूशन एंड नॉइज पॉल्यूशन. What is land pollution? The land where you live. If you will throw the garbage, if you will throw the dirty things on the land, it will become dirty, unclean, and what will happen? Germs will breed there, and it becomes dirty. So, what is our duty? To make it clean. Clear? यदि आप जहाँ आप रहते हैं वहाँ पॉलीथीन्स, रैपर्स, गंदी चीज़ें फेंकेंगे तो वो पॉल्यूटेड हो जाएगा और वहाँ जर्म्स ब्रीड करेंगे एंड द प्लेस विल बिकम डर्टी एंड वी मे फॉल सिक. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट वन इज एयर पॉल्यूशन. चिल्ड्रन, वी ब्रेथ द एयर. विच एयर you breathe? Oxygen. We need pure oxygen. That's why we ask, all of us ask to plant more and more trees, because trees make the air clean. So what make the air dirty? Smoke from vehicles, smoke from factories. These make the air dirty. Okay, smoke from factories and vehicles make the air dirty, and the air will become poisonous. And if we will inhale this poisonous air, what will happen? We may fall sick. So we need fresh and clean air to breathe. Clear? Then next one is water pollution. What is the water pollution? If people throw the garbage, if people bath in the water bodies, or if animals bath in the water bodies, they will throw soap and dirty things in the water bodies, the water become dirty. And if we drink this dirty water, we may fall sick. Clear? And if we will drink dirty water, I told you we may fall sick. So many diseases will be there if we will drink the dirty water. To clean the water, we have to avoid such type of things. So this is the water pollution. Then noise pollution. So many sounds every day you hear. Some are pleasant to our ear, some are unpleasant, like singing of birds, chirping of birds, and slow music. These all are the pleasant, means हमारे ears को अच्छा लगता है. But rather some sounds like loud speaker sound and noise, means these all are known as noise. What are the noise? Noise pollution, they create the noise pollution. What are these? Honking of horns, firecrackers sound, and loudspeakers. These are all are the noise. And if we will hear too much noise, then it will affect our ears also, our hearing. So what is our duty? To avoid such types of pollutions, our duty is to throw the garbage or waste things in the dustbins, then plant more and more trees. Say avoid firecrackers, say no to firecrackers, avoid the too much excess of honking of horns, and for the water pollution to not to throw the waste things in the water bodies, okay, not to use unnecessarily these vehicles, and for noise pollution not to use too much horns and loudspeakers. Okay, so these are the things whatever we have discussed. And one more thing is there, that save water. Save water is also very important. Close the tap when it is not in used. So I think all the things are clear for you. Now you come to know that what is pollution, what are the things you have to do to avoid the pollution. Right now, read this lesson carefully, watch this video. I will send you exercise, question answers, write beautifully, clearly. Have a blessed day.